Let me ask you a question that might be little personal. When the house gets silent and you lay your head on the bed, you hear that constant ringing sound. It's it's high pitched, it's low buzzing sound, and you are not able to focus on one thing. Living with tinnitus is exhausting. So, for you guys, I have figured out this solution, that is audio fog. It's a natural release supplement that claims to support your inner ear health. But before that, I would like to share an important message with you guys. That is, there are a lot of counterfeit products available all over the world. So for you guys to get the right product, I have figured out the original manufacturer's link and put it right in the description. So you can go there and buy for yourself. Make sure to buy the original audio font for you to get healed. Now, why audio font is different from other eardrops or hearing aids? Well, research shows that ringing sound isn't just happening to your ears. It actually the wires connecting to your brain to your inner ear. When it gets scrambled or clogged, you hear that constant ringing sound to fill in the gap. But the audit font claims to support the entire auditory system. So it's just not focusing on ears, it's focusing on the neural pathways. So it focuses on the brain health, even that brain fog. So you can completely get rid of that brain fog. Now, let's talk about the ingredients. It has blend of antioxidants and neuronutrients. Mainly, it the ingredients had green seed extract and green tea that promotes your blood flow to your inner ear to your brain. So you can get rid of that tinnitus sound and get the more attention. Now, the thing is, I would recommend you to at least give it a shot for 60 days. So, I have checked the reviews and everything. People use it for 60 days before seeing the real changes. And it also has 60-day money back guarantee. So, if audio fort doesn't work out for you, you can just simply ask for the refund. No question asked. With that, if you have any questions or you want to share your journey with us, please comment down below. And personally, I will suggest you to give it a shot at least once and buy from the original source. The link is in the description. With that, please be safe and happy. Thanks for watching.